Hot and muggy, that's the key. We may have brief interruptions tomorrow by shower or thunderstorm in a few spots, probably more active than today, but not everybody gets rain. Just a few people do. Temperatures right now in the low to mid 80s across the area. 86 in McAllen right now, 82 in Port Isabel, Brownsville's 81. Your dew points all back up into the 70s now, 71 to 77 across the area. More humid at the coast than it is in the west, but everybody's dew points are in the 70s, so we're all in that very humid range. And that doesn't change a whole lot in the summertime. We tend to stay up in the 70s dew point wise pretty consistently all summer long. Here are tomorrow's highs, and again you're looking at mostly 90s. The island tops out a little below that, and Rio Grande City probably getting to 101, but scattered showers and an isolated thunderstorm or two, a pretty good bet tomorrow, at least in parts of the valley. Now look at high temperatures. Tomorrow is actually the coolest day of the next 7 at 97. The seasonal average is 96, so we'll be above average. Then we go 99, then we hold at 100 all the way through the weekend, back to 98 on Tuesday. Keep in mind those are average highs across the valley. If you're, say, McAllen westward, you'll be hotter than that. Harlingen, Brownsville toward the coast, a little bit cooler than that. Look at the big picture today, and you can see that the storms were much more isolated today compared to the same time yesterday. While yesterday, remember, there was a lot of rain over South Texas all the way up to San Antonio, Houston, and Del Rio, everything south of that. Well, today we had our isolated stuff here, but that was about it. That's a sign that this weak upper level disturbance is pushing back to the west. You'll recall yesterday it was right on top of us. It moves away, and as it continues to pull away, typically our rain chances would drop, but we have one more surge of moisture tomorrow that's going to give us that chance for a few showers around. But I think after that surge, things begin to dry out pretty quickly. By the time we get to the weekend, the big ridge, the big high kind of flexes a little bit, and dry, hot weather builds back in, and the rain chances dwindle to pretty much nothing through the weekend into early next week. A little bit of a disturbance on the east side of the high, Florida Panhandle, Mississippi, Louisiana, Alabama, but it goes northward, not southward, so we just stay in the hot, dry weather then all the way into the middle part of next week with, after tomorrow, no decent shot at rain. And even tomorrow, you're only looking at 20%. Then we go down to about 5% Thursday and Friday, dry through the weekend, and then back to 5% or so on Tuesday of next week. So nothing really big anywhere. Tropics, Gulf of Mexico, nada. The Caribbean, we did have a storm, but it's gone. This is Don, but Don is now just the remnants of Don with 40-mile-per-hour winds. It just kind of came through here, ran into some serious shear tonight, so the top's being blown off with this. Winds are down to 40, and again, now it's just considered a remnant. You can see nothing left of it, so that's the end of Don, short-lived storm. So 77 for our low tonight. That early evening shower is gone now. Then tomorrow back to 97 for a high. Spotty showers, maybe a thunderstorm in a few spots. Probably a little bit more active than today, but still not widespread. Still widely separated rain showers. Thursday and Friday should be mainly dry. I think Saturday and Sunday are pretty much completely dry, up around 100 each day. Monday's 100, then Tuesday an isolated showers possible again. That brings temperatures down a notch to 98 degrees. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.